We're kickstarting the bulletin with some breaking news coming in on the demonetization scheme. Yet another supporter of the scheme, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has backed the government's demonetization drive, reiterating that he supports the fight against black money. Nitish added the Benami property holders should be targeted next. He's also rubbished rumours that he had met with BJP President Amit Shah around the time of the move's announcement.
ये नोटबंदी हो जाएगा तो चाहे तो उसको बैंक में जमा करेंगे लोग किसी न किसी के बहाने, और समूचा तो जमा हो नहीं पाएगा, तो कुछ तो डूबे करेगा। तो जो डूबेगा ये समझ लीजिए वो बड़ा भारी फायदा होगा। जितना डूबा उतना नोट करेंसी उतना सर्कुलेशन में था, अब वो वापिस नहीं आया, तो इसका मतलब है कि उतना करेंसी तो सरकार को, रिजर्व बैंक को रिलीज करने का अधिकार हो गया, तो उतना पैसा तो आ जाएगा। ये भ्रष्टाचार, काला धन, गड़बड़ी के खिलाफ अगर कुछ भी होता हम साथ हैं, तो यहां पर भाई अपने अधिकारी का संपत्ति जब्त करा के स्कूल खुलवाए हुए।
All right, let's go across to Rohit joining us live for more details on this story. Rohit, not the first time really Nitish Kumar has come out and backed the government's demonetization drive, but the reason also that we see the JDU symbolically being part of the united opposition's protest is because the party believes that there has been some sort of mismanagement as far as the implementation is concerned.
Well, that's right, Akshita. As far as implementation is concerned, Nitish Kumar also believes that there are some glitches as far as implementation is concerned. But speaking principally, he was completely backing Prime Minister Narendra Modi as far as demonetization is concerned. And if you remember, on 8th of November, when the Prime Minister made that declaration, within 12 hours, Nitish Kumar was the first Chief Minister of a non-BJP ruled state to come out openly in support of demonetization. And obviously this gives a clear, there are speculations that are now in the market that maybe the Bihar Chief Minister is posing up to the BJP because he's supporting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But as far as this speculation is concerned, Nitish Kumar did not go too much into it. He says that these are mere speculation and there is nothing like that which is happening, and he was not posing up to the BJP, neither did he meet Amit Shah. But yes, one thing is very much sure, as we have also seen that Sharad Yadav is also speaking against the demonetization.
Yes.
But Nitish Kumar firmly behind Prime Minister as far as fight against black money is concerned.
All right, Rohit, thanks for joining us with those details.